What's up, guys? In this particular video, I'm going to show you how to fix this particular error. I was working on the particular website using my local server, that's using local by Flywheel. Now, I tend to encounter this particular error. So you might be seeing this particular error you're seeing on the screen, or this other one you are seeing here. So now I'm going to be showing you how to fix this particular error. It's just something that is very easy. So I'm going to quickly just show you how to fix this particular error in case you are having same issue with me, that's working on your local server. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. So to do this, what you're going to be doing is if you notice, this particular website was working perfectly well before I turned on my VPN. So by the time I now turn on my VPN to work on something else and I returned back, the VPN was still on. So by the time I came to continue working on this particular website, I started encountering this error. You might be seeing this other one or seeing this other error. So now what I did was after trying several approaches, and I discovered that what was actually the error, the issue, was my VPN. So what I did was just to turn off the VPN and everything was now working perfectly fine. So let me just quickly show you how it is. So now you can see if as you come here now and turn off, by the time I turn off my VPN, you notice that when I reload the website, you notice that the website is now working perfectly fine. And if I should turn it on again, you can see, let me turn it on. Let me turn it on. It's now showing the same error. So you can now see that our VPN was on giving us the issue. So in case you're facing this particular issue, just turn off your VPN and you tend to see that your site will be working perfectly fine. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.